This video is to show the quickest, easiest way to have a character pick up and throw a ball. So I have a character, and I've actually added a throw animation to it. Let me play that. The motion slides around a lot, but it will work for our needs here. And I've added the ball to the scene. I've resized it and placed it already in the proper location. The first thing you need to do with the ball is come over to your physics tab, turn on the physics, activate physics, and set it to kinematic. That means that it can be animated by the character at that point. So I can link it to the character and it will animate. Or I can animate it by itself if I need to, but I don't need to in this case. The other physics states are, will just go into physics immediately. So use kinematic, and then after I have that set, and it doesn't matter what shape you make it unless you need it to bounce a specific way. You can change the bounding type. I'm just going to leave it on a box because it doesn't really matter in this case. What I now need to do is move the timeline playhead until I see the place where the character grabs the ball, and it looks like right there. And so what I'm going to do, and you want to be pretty exact on this, so zoom in pretty carefully. I can see he's a bit off there. Let's see if he'll get closer here. There, I think right there. That looks pretty good. Looks like he's grabbing that ball pretty well. I have the ball a little up in the air because I cheated a little bit and made it match the motion I had. But if you're doing your own motion, you can make it fit just right. So that's where he's going to be grabbing it. So at this point, I have the ball selected. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say link and link to, and click on the character's hand. All right, you'll see a key has appeared for the ball. And if you want to, you can go find the physics track in the list here and see that. But you actually don't need to. You can just rely on the keyframe here. All right, so now I'm going to zoom back out a little bit. And as I play now, you'll see the ball is now linked to the hand and moving with it. And so I'm going to move forward in my animation just until where I want him to let it go, which is probably somewhere up right around here. Say 144, 145. Let's do 144. And now all I need to do is change the physics state to dynamic. And that will now let the ball be controlled entirely by physics. And since it already has a trajectory, it will follow that. So now that I have both of those keyframes in there, I'm going to rewind to the beginning, zoom out a little bit so I can see a little better, and then go ahead and play. He picks up the ball and throws it. And so that releases at the right time to give it the proper trajectory, and away it goes. And I'm sure you can come up with a better animation than I did to make it throw a little more accurately. Okay, hope that helped.